Hey everybody, it's Ryan with Tundra 4x4.club, and today we're talking about light bars. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Happy New Year's Eve to you guys. It's Ryan with Tundra 4x4.club, and today we're going to go over something a little bit different. I got a light bar for my new bumper. Now we'll do a review on the bumper a little bit later, but I got a light bar. Let me just start with this caveat. I absolutely think that the rigid light bars are awesome, but you know me, on this channel we're doing moderate upgrades to the Tundra, and we're not going all out with the top of the line of anything. We're just trying to be at the middle ground of upgrades, because guys like me that are working, and this is our daily drivers, I really just can't justify going top of the line on everything on upgrades. I'd be less than broke. So I wanted to come to you with a video right now on this light bar. This is a TEMco Light Bar. It's available on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description down below. It's available on eBay. And what drew me to this light bar was the fact that it said that it fit my NFAB bumper. Now, I was skeptical at first because I was thinking that, hey, this, it might not work out. It's just gonna be a light bar that sits up there and doesn't project any light. But the last couple of nights that I've been out here in the desert and testing this thing out, it's unbelievable. So let's get into that. Let me show you the light itself. And you know, here's a picture of it right when I opened it up out of the box. It's well packaged, well protected. And here it is on the truck with the NFAB bumper. And now let's just go ahead, let's just show you exactly what we've been doing with this thing out here in the desert at night. Okay, so we're out here in Ocotillo Wells, Superstition Mountains, and we're done with the install as far as the bumper and the secret light bar, which I will tell you right now is amazing. So this light bar, in comparison to a rigid light bar, which goes for what, $1,000, this light bar was $170 on Amazon. And since we're out here, let's show you what it can do. We're gonna take a look at with the lights on, with the lights off, with the high beams on, things like that. Keep in mind, this light bar was $170, and it's connected to the new NFAB bumper that we put on today. So we're gonna go to the hill behind us, and let's check out the performance. All right, so here we go. This is just cruising around with the Tundra headlights only. So this is just regular headlights. You know, it's gonna work. It'll get you out of a pinch, but off-roading, you need more light. So now, let's go headlights into headlights with light bar. Boom. And now we are, I mean, I can see up quite a ways, and I have no problems. This thing is amazing.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.